Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to know my YouTube channel is monetized. The process is straightforward and effortless, and for this, we will use an application called YT Studio. You can download this application from the Google Play Store and iOS devices. After downloading this application, sign in with your YouTube account. I have already done all these things, so that's why I am opening my YT Studio app. After it opens, you will see a dollar sign on the bottom right. Tap on it. Once you tap on this, scroll down. Here, you will see this section. How do I join? So, these are the monetization requirements for a YouTube channel. The first one is 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. If your channel has 1,000 subscribers, it means you completed the first requirement. The second one is at least 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days. This means that your channel must have completed 4,000 hours of watching in the last 12 months. And the third requirement is 10 million views on YouTube Shorts. Once you have completed all the requirements, you can also tap on this email. This means that YouTube will notify you when your channel is ready. And after monetization, you can join the YouTube Partner Program, and the last way to check whether your channel is monetized or not is to tap on the option Content. Once the monetization starts, you will see the dollar sign just next to these, like comments icons. So once you see that sign, your channel will be monetized on YouTube. So these were the essential requirements and ways by which you can know whether your channel is monetized or not. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.